Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to walk you through one of my latest creations that blends style, fun and little bit of boho magic. Okay, let's dive in. Here we have a stunning two-piece design featuring a halter style bikini top paired with a skirted bikini bottom. The top is true work of art with intricate decorative elements that really makes it stand out. Multiple colorful braided cords and straps are woven together, creating a beautiful layered effect that's both playful and sophisticated. The bottom piece is just as striking. It has unique skirt-like design where several layers of those same vibrant braided cords wrap around the waist. Each cord ends with playful tassels, adding a touch of movement and fun to the overall look. The straps themselves are styled in an unconventional way, adding a fresh, modern twist to the classic bikini. And if you look closely, you will see the waistband and hem are decorated with colorful ropes tied in loose, carefree knots. These little details bring in a beautiful bohemian charm, while the overall design keeps that breezy, beachy vibe. With its combination of natural fabrics, intricate rope details, and artistic finishes, this outfit executes a relaxed yet high-fashion appeal. It's perfect for someone looking to combine style with comfort, all while soaking in those sunny beach vibes. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss my future videos. See you soon.